Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to name your ranges. So, if you're moving through sheets on Excel, you can always go back to a column or a row that you need to add more information to. So, let's say I have this column right here. And let's say this column is the amounts of money owed to a business. So, all we're going to want to do is go up to this top left corner right here where it says D2. We're going to click on it and we're going to add a name. So whatever this column is to you, to me, it's just money two. We're going to click enter. And now let's say I go back to sheet two. We're going to pretend that I have a lot of stuff here and I want to reference a column or a sheet or go back to it. All I have to do is go back to the top left corner and click money two, and it brings me back to this column. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.